Hi guys, as you can see from this diagram, we're gonna do this VU meter tutorial today. So we need an IC LM3915 and we need this Piezo PZ. We need 1M resistor, one kilo resistor, we need 10 microfarad capacitor, and we need 10 white LEDs. First time I used a multicolor, but they didn't work for me. Some of them they're not good, so we need an PCB board as well. So I'm gonna start and soldering the IC first. So after soldering the IC, now I need to put the LEDs. For the LEDs, all the anodes are joined together. But for this one now, this LED one, the cathode needs to be connected to pin 1 of the IC. Negative needs to be connected to the number 1, the pin number 1 on the IC, and the positive will be joined to the other positive of other LEDs. Same thing with the second LED. The cathode to number 18 now on the IC, and the anode connected to the rest of the anodes. So now I'm going to do the rest of the LEDs, connect them all. D3 cathode to number 17, D4 cathode to number 16, D5 cathode to number 15, D6 cathode to number 14, D7 cathode to number 12, number 13, D7 cathode to number 13, D8 cathode to number 12, D9 to number 11, D10 to number 10. And I'll see you after that. So as you can see, now all the LEDs are connected. Now I need to connect the capacitor. So the capacitor, the positive will go to number 3, and the negative, the capacitor, will go to the negative of the PCB board. Now to connect the 1M resistor. So the 1M resistor, one pin will go to number 5 and the other one will go to the negative of the PCB board. So as you can see, the one end is connected. So now what I need to do is to make a jumper between pin 6 and pin 7 and connect the 1K resistor from 7, one pin on the 7 pin of the IC, and the other pin of the resistor will be connected to the negative of the circuit on the PCB board. So now this piezo, PZ, I need to connect the positive of the on pin number 5 and the negative on the negative of the circuit on the board. Now the power supply needs to be connected, so the positive of the power supply connector will be on pin number 3 on the IC, and the negative on the pin number 4. It's 9-volt DC. I also forgot to connect pin number 2 on the IC to the negative of the circuit. This yellow wire. So now everything is connected. Just to let you know, I had to swap the multi-color LEDs with the white ones, because some of the multicolors one that I had, they're damaged, so I had to swap them all, because that's what I've got at the moment. But they were really working, they're working perfect, and that's what you need to put the white ones. So now it's time for testing them. As you can see, they're all working perfect. I'm playing on the piezo like this. It's working perfect. I'm trying now my YouTube music on my phone, and it's working as well. So our project was successful.